Amazon is about to take digital reading and note-taking to a whole new level. The Kindle Scribe 2025 is rumored to bring a complete redesign, smarter AI features, and a more intuitive stylus experience that could change the way we read, write, and organize our work. Imagine writing notes that automatically turn into editable text, AI-powered summaries of your books, and seamless cloud integration across all your devices, all in one sleek, lightweight e-reader. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual reader, this next-generation Kindle Scribe promises to combine the best of reading, writing, and AI-powered productivity. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From faster, ultra-precise stylus input to advanced annotation tools and enhanced AI recommendations, it's shaping up to be the ultimate digital notebook. Amazon has always been at the forefront of digital reading technology, transforming the way we consume books, magazines, and documents. The 2025 iteration of the Kindle Scribe promises to continue this trend while introducing a suite of exciting new features and design upgrades. Early leaks and insider reports suggest that Amazon is focusing not just on hardware improvements, but also on AI-powered enhancements, giving users a smarter, more intuitive reading and writing experience. From innovative stylus capabilities to advanced note-taking features and AI-driven annotations, the Kindle Scribe 2025 is shaping up to be a revolutionary device for both casual readers and professional users alike. At the heart of the Kindle Scribe 2025 is a redesigned display system. Reports indicate that Amazon has adopted an upgraded e-ink Carta Plus panel with higher contrast and faster refresh rates, making handwritten notes and annotations smoother than ever before. The screen is expected to support ultra-precise stylus input, allowing users to write as naturally as they would on paper, while AI-powered handwriting recognition automatically converts notes into editable text. This feature could significantly enhance productivity for students, writers, and professionals who rely on handwritten notes but want the convenience of digital organization and cloud storage. The design of the Kindle Scribe 2025 is rumored to be thinner, lighter, and more ergonomic, with a slightly larger screen option compared to previous generations. Amazon may introduce new color variants and premium finishes, possibly incorporating recycled materials to enhance durability while reducing environmental impact. The device's battery life is expected to remain industry-leading, allowing weeks of uninterrupted reading or note-taking, even with continuous stylus use. The physical design improvements, combined with advanced AI features, suggest that Amazon is positioning the Kindle Scribe not merely as an e-reader, but as a hybrid digital notebook and productivity tool. One of the most anticipated features of the Kindle Scribe 2025 is its AI-driven annotation system. Users may be able to highlight text and receive intelligent summaries, context-based suggestions, or even automatically generated outlines. The AI is expected to support multi-language translation, semantic note linking, and personalized reading recommendations, leveraging Amazon's cloud ecosystem to enhance learning and productivity. For academics and professionals, this means the ability to quickly extract key insights from long documents, cross-reference notes, and create organized, searchable knowledge bases directly on the device. Connectivity and integration are also expected to see a major boost. Early reports suggest that the Kindle Scribe 2025 will support faster Wi-Fi 7 connectivity and enhanced cloud syncing, enabling seamless integration with Amazon's Kindle ecosystem.